I got so much motherfucking design on right now.
Break it down, bring it back, make it clap. I got 3 old thoughts, new guap, wear that thing, bitches on my line.
Podcasts have become a medium that has grown rapidly in recent years. According to Philips 2017, a podcast is a digital audio file that is created and then uploaded to an online platform to be shared with other people. Podcast refers to the distribution of audio files in digital format. These audio files can be accessed directly from a desktop device or sent to a portable media device such as an MP3 player to be listened to or to on the go. The very significant growth of podcasts over the last few years has been influenced by 5 main factors. 1. Namely, internet activity will continue to spread. 2. Broadband growth, which is increasingly rapid. 3. The difference between streaming and download content, which is starting to blur. 4. The availability of personal computers and multimedia devices. And less rapid adoption of portable MP3 playback devices. The impact of podcasts in education include: 1. Podcasts can be an innovative teaching source for teachers to design class activities. 2. Podcasts help students learning process both inside and outside the classroom. And 3. Podcasts can increase readings and preparation. The presence of podcasts does not replace textbooks, quiz, and other material. However, its presence is also significant as a supplement to learning. The podcast process starts with the creation of content to the use of audio and editing devices, such as computer, microphone, recording software, audio editing, and compression software. One process that is quite challenging is producing a podcast. The file, created for example MP3 file, are then uploaded to a website available on the internet. One upload file means one episode of the podcast. The features available on podcasts differ from alternative methods of distributing audio content, or such as upload audio file to a listener management system. Alternative methods tend to require many steps that leave students dissatisfied or less likely to participate. Meanwhile, podcasts are able to send education content seamlessly to student computer via RSS feed. There are 3 trends that are driving the increasing popularity of podcasts. First, it is increasingly being used as an alternative to sharing content by the media, entertainment, and journalism industry. Many broadcasters and news publishers are now increasingly utilizing podcasts. The second trend is the increase in ownership and use of portable MP3 music players for listening to audio digital. A third trend is increasing availability of free software and tools for creating podcasts and distributing them on the internet, including the use of download and play. There are 3 main characteristics of podcasts, namely: 1. Episode, 2. Downloadable, 3. Program driven primarily by content themes. Podcasts are a source of authentic spoken text. The language present is real world language and can be used by educator for various themes and levels adjust to the student ability level.